Hi my dear JEE 2024 warriors, after the first attempt and also nearing to the end of the board exams, especially the freshers would have realized that the things could be actually different in the second attempt. And if you're a dropper, let me also tell you that the physics board examination was slightly of a higher difficulty order and also slightly lengthy. And considering the fact that the first attempt was actually very easy, we should not take it for granted that the second attempt will be very easy, especially with regards to chemistry and physics. Yes, maths was tricky at times. Sometimes if it was not tricky, if it was lengthy, right? So shall we just assume that the next paper, second attempt, will also be of the same type? Definitely not. So my advice to all the students is please save your second attempt. If you have done bad in the first attempt or if you have lost marks for some reason, I will tell you exactly how to overcome that problem just through PYQs. And PYQs plays a very important role in improving your rank, improving your percentile. So do not ignore PYQs, and I'll tell you how many PYQs to solve, when to solve PYQs, which year PYQs to solve, and should you see solutions, etc. How to find these PYQs, everything in this very short video. My name is Captain Shreyas. You can call me Captain. Hello Sudarjana, hello Kim, hello Rubesh, hello Vasant, hello Arvind. Nice to see all of you. I hope I'm audible. Yep. And yes, make sure that you also share this video with your friends, with your classmates, because they will also find it very useful. If you see some student who is depressed, don't be selfish. Share this particular content with regards to the PYQs and motivate your friends, because you know the biggest pleasure in life will not be you just going into your dream college. It will be when you, along with your friend circle, with your group, with all the people whom you love, enter the same college, and you will have a lot of fun. So ensure that everybody gets benefited. So never ever be selfish. Let's make it possible for every kid out there who is even below average or who is probably demotivated because of the first attempt. So what happened is, in the first attempt many of our students did really well, massively well. 99.9 percentile was got or obtained by 9 Vedantu students. In fact, 105 Vedantu students were above 99 percentile in the first attempt alone. So that's a massive number, right? And not just that, 8 students from Vedantu got 100 percentile in their subjects, be it physics or be it mathematics or sometimes in chemistry. So how are these students able to achieve such high scores, and how are these students utilizing the PYQs? And this is not a story just for this year. Even last year there were almost 2,500 students who cleared mains and cleared advanced and were eligible for counseling for IITs. That's a massive number just from one single institute. So I have spoken to many of these students. Many of these students have told us how many PYQs they solve, which order, everything. So I will tell you their secret. So watch this video carefully. Listen to what I am saying carefully. When should you solve PYQs? The best time which I have analyzed is to solve it in the morning. Let's say you wake up at 6 o'clock. From 6 to 8 o'clock you solve it. But which PYQs will you solve? Yesterday or day before yesterday you would have done some chapters. Those PYQs, like a revision. Let's say 3 days back, 5 days back, or yesterday you solved or you studied rotation. Solve those PYQs. Then in the afternoon or in the morning you will be studying some theory, or you will be attending some course, or you will be attending a batch, you will be doing some revision, you will be reading something, making notes, solving some problems. After that you might get bored after lunch. That is the precise time where you again get back to PYQs, but of that current chapter. Let's say you are doing, for example, electromagnetic induction. So you read it in the morning. In the afternoon, do those PYQs. I am not asking you to do all the PYQs. Let's say there were 50 PYQs from the chapter. Do 30 PYQs. It's okay. Or do 20 PYQs. That's also okay. Maybe after 2-3 days, early in the morning, you can do the remaining PYQs. Did you understand this? Yes, did you understand it? Hello Rishi, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart. Hello the black caps. Yep, is that very clear? How many PYQs, when to do the PYQs, and you need not do all the PYQs at one go. You can Keep it for the next day or after 2 days for something like revision. This is the time. Next, is only solving PYQs enough? That is another good question which many students ask, apart from the mock test that you give. Yeah, obviously you have to give mock test. You cannot give, say that I'll just skip the mock test. You have to. Apart from that, the PYQs alone will be sufficient for those students who probably have not solved many PYQs before, or who have not solved many books before. They are not so confident of the preparation. Percentiles are not that great. You are not in that 99 percentile range, 98 percentile range. Then yes, only PYQs will also do. I'll tell you why with a calculation. I've just done a calculation. I'll tell you that. No is only for those students if you already covered many PYQs. You already solved many book problems. Then only PYQs can't be enough. Your percentiles are already higher range. Then you will have a mix of PYQs, some material questions, some assignment questions, some class problems. All those mixtures will come, right? So most of the students will come in the yes category because hardly 20 days to 25 days are remaining. I mean, you will have to cut out some days because some days will just go in the final lap revision, formula revision and all those things. So you have to cut out few days. So you can say, 20 days only are there with you. So how many PYQs you should solve? You should solve 70 PYQs per day. 70. Why that number? I'll tell you in a bit. Into 20 days will give you close to 1400 problems. If you want, take it to 80 PYQs or something, you will cross 1500 mark. Do you think some 70 to 80 PYQs you can easily do per day? Tell me. In the morning you do how many PYQs? Let's say 40 PYQs from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. In the afternoon, how many PYQs will you do? Remaining 30 PYQs. So in a day, 70 bare minimum PYQs will you be able to do? So don't you see, in 20 days, just 20 days, you will be able to complete close to 1400 to 1500 problems at least. That's a very good number. If you just look at 1500, it seems unachievable. But if you target it properly in small chunks, and if you know when to solve, how to solve, that's it. I think it is achievable. Give me a thumbs up, smash the like button. I want to see the likes going up if you are ready for this challenge right now. If you are ready for this challenge for solving 70 PYQs per day at least for the next 20 days and complete 1500 problems, close to that. Which PYQs to solve? This is also very important. The top most priority should be for 2022 and 2023, last 2 years. And remember, there were many shifts, multiple attempts. So there will be many papers. There are more than 40 shifts in just last 2 years. Just imagine, 40 shifts at least are there, close to 50 if I'm not wrong. And after that, your second priority should be also the current year PYQs. Most of you would have attended most of the discussion sessions which we did on the channel. So that is why I give it second priority. But if you have not, please watch those sessions. Most of the discussions have happened over here on the channel itself for almost all the shifts. And these memories are fresh in your mind. Yep. These memories are fresh in your mind. So somebody is saying, sir, my board exams are going on. Do one thing. Concentrate more on maths PYQs. Let's say out of 70 PYQs, do 50 PYQs for maths, 10 PYQs physics, 10 PYQs chemistry till maths board exam. That is just for one day. After that, you get back to your studies. Who is asking you to do only physics or only chemistry? You can change the distribution. So if you are from some state board, accordingly you distribute. See, remember, if you do less PYQs now, the burden will come later on. You will have to complete all these PYQs. If you do all these things, still there is more time, you get more josh, and I feel you will get that strength, you will get that motivation, you will get that spirit once you are in the flow, and then you have extra time. Please do the older PYQs also. 2021, 2020, especially these papers are very, very important. Especially you do 2020 paper. Okay, after you do all the other things, you do 2020, 2021 paper, that will be very good. So now you must be thinking, sir, while solving PYQs, I get stuck. Shall I see the solutions? The answer is no. Never see the solution until you have tried it properly. When you give up, then only see the first 2 lines of the solution. You will get an idea. Take a hint, then try to solve it. You will get stuck, then try to see the next line, then again solve. That way you complete it. If you take 5 minutes also per question, that's okay. You have 2 hours for solving 40 questions, you can easily spend 5 minutes, no issues. Let's say you are not able to understand, not able to get it, then it's fine, then see the complete solution, but that should be your last resort. Is that okay? Fine, that is also understood. Strike rate for PYQs. A good strike rate will be 80% plus, meaning if you are solving 10 PYQs, out of that 8 PYQs you are able to solve, maybe by taking some hint also it's fine, but you are able to solve 80% plus questions. Okay? Okay will be, decent will be 50 to 80%, meaning out of 10 PYQs, you at least get 5 questions to 8 questions out of 10 questions. That is considered to be decent strike rate considering the PYQs. Why am I giving you 50%, 80%? Because even at 50% marks, that is out of 300, you get 150 marks. You will be in the 95, 97 percentile range depending on your shifts. So around that range, you will easily be able to hit. 80% means you will be in the 99.5 percentile bracket, 99.4, that is the percentile you will be at. If you are below 50% strike rate, that is where you need to go back, see the video of one shot, revise the chapter, analyze what mistakes you are doing, see the concepts which you have missed, then you definitely need a lot of improvement if the strike rate is below 50%. But don't get saddened, don't be unhappy or demotivated if your strike rate is below 50% for one chapter. Maybe another chapter you are strong at, there you might be 80% also. That is going to happen. It will not be a constant one. That's the way you can analyze your strengths. So if you are wondering where do I get these PYQs? Well, I'm going to give you all the physics, chemistry, maths, chapter wise, year wise questions. Absolutely to all of you. Yep. And you guys are waiting for it, I know, because you want to solve. Sir, I want to keep a book. I don't want to use my laptop. I don't want to use my mobile because I don't want to waste not just my internet, but I don't want to strain my eyes. I also don't want to get distracted. So if you are a student who wants to just keep a book and solve the PYQs one after the other on your study table without any distractions, without straining your eyes, this is for you. So I will give you all the chapter wise previous year papers 2022-2023. There are close to 1400 questions, 70 questions target per day for the next 20 days to achieve 99 percentile, 46 shifts. I was telling you, right? 46 shifts as it is with detailed solutions, with segregated papers year wise and subject wise, and you can practice anywhere. Let's say you're traveling, you carry the book with you. Always these books will be with you. These previous year papers, this book, particular book, this is for physics. There is a separate book for chemistry. You can see all the papers are arranged properly and there are solutions also at the end, detailed. It's not like only hints are there. Every solution is there in detail so that you don't even have to look for a doubt app or anything like that. And not just that, it is properly arranged and the solutions have been prepared by our experts. It's not copied solutions, it is a new solution. You will not find it anywhere as such. So where do you get these books? Where do you get these books? These books are available on Amazon. The link is there in the description box. Some of you will be like, sir, I don't want all the 3 books, I want only 1 book. That is also possible. All the options are there. I'll just show it to you right over here as you are particularly watching this video. Just check this out, this description box right over here. Can you see? JEE Mains chapter wise PYQs completely. But if you want just physics, chemistry, maths, separate links are there. Let's say I click on the physics, chemistry, maths, all 3 of them together. So VEDANTU JEE Mains chapter wise previous year questions of 22-23, all the 46 shifts with 4000 problems. And you can see you have free delivery and replacement, Amazon delivered, secure transaction, everything. And you can just say add to cart or buy now and you will get it delivered right over here. So the price for this is 1499 rupees. Okay, so these books are limited in stock. Like you remember, these books got sold out before the first attempt. So I hope the books get sold out soon, as well as you get the best benefit of it. Reason is because more students buy, that means more students are improving the rank, more students are solving it, because only when you do some effort, put in some hard work to buy something, whenever you are in a dedicated batch, or when you put an effort to get something, that's when you actually put in that effort. You have that motivation. Oh, I got a new book, I have to solve it. That smell of the book, you want to, you're eager to solve that book properly. So make sure you solve this book properly, right? All the 3 subjects are there, but if you say that no sir, I just want physics or chemistry or maths, no problem. You can, let's say you want just physics, just click on physics, you will get just the physics book for 600. So instead of buying the book separately for 600, 600, 600, which is 1800, it's better that you buy it as a set, because you will save some amount to buy it as a group, as a bundle. Okay, you can also sell the book later on to your juniors, or you can just donate it to somebody else also later on. It's up to you. Okay, so that was the JEE previous year books which I wanted to tell you about, and now I hope you're going to save your second attempt using all the points that I have given to all of you. Okay, so let's save your second attempt. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're going to like it, and I hope you're going to subscribe and share this video with all your friends and batchmates. All the best, my dear warriors. Okay, take care. God bless you all. See you very soon, and make sure you are hitting the target of 70 questions per day for the next 20 days. Complete these books. Okay, bye bye. Hasta la vista. Shreyas sir signing off.